A 1% move upward is expected for Ethereum by tomorrow, coin price forecast shows. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. As of this moment, Ethereum has lost 4% and is holding near $1,732.39. Let's pull up the analysts' expectations. Tomorrow, 30 Rates expects the asset to trade around $1,727, down by 0.4%. Ethereum is expected to reach $1,729.54 per Traders Union, marking a fall of around 0.2%. Crypto Predictions highlights it potentially climbing to $1,746.80, a rise of approximately 0.8%. Another forecast released by Coin Price Forecast sees potential for Ethereum to reach $1,751, a projected increase of about 1%. Finally, CoinCodex sees $1,777.51 by tomorrow, 2.5% above current value. This is the most profitable forecast among those presented. That covers all 5 projections. Let's keep exploring. Now let's break down what the forecasts in play for tomorrow. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a drop of 0.4% and a gain of 2.5%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out CoinCodex will deliver the highest return with 2.5% increase in value by June 6. All in all, you could generate between $2 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, Traders Union has the strongest forecast, carrying an 86.3% chance of success. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. According to consensus, Ethereum is set to trade near $1,746.37. Let's walk through the details. According to the consensus, the price could rise by 0.7% by tomorrow. This suggests your capital might also grow by roughly 0.7%. In terms of 1,000, the scenario could translate into $7 more. And looking at the odds, this consensus scenario for Ethereum holds a probability close to 83.1%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. 30 Rates indicates that prices could dip further. Additionally, Traders Union highlights a bearish short-term picture. A bullish track is suggested by Crypto Predictions. A gain is meanwhile anticipated by Coin Price Forecast, who remains bullish. Likewise, CoinCodex projects an ascending trajectory for Ethereum. The consensus picture suggests Ethereum will show little overall change across this 3-day horizon. Bringing all opinions together, the majority view suggests that Ethereum is more likely to trend upward during the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $1,707.63. The majority of analysts captured the right trend this time. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by Traders Union. Time to unpack the outcome. 3 forecasts fit within the daily range. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by 30 Rates at 7.8%. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. The stats for 30 Rates show 10.6% forecast probability, accuracy, and 7.8% ROI. Take a closer look and decide who was the most accurate. Now you can see how Ethereum compares with other assets in the forecasted returns for tomorrow. Ethereum takes 3rd position among all forecasts, as Render holds the strongest outlook with 2.8%. For now, Ethereum is analyzed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The wider profitability comparison is already posted on my website. We're done for now. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's updated forecasts. Have a great day.